Hello class 4th. Welcome to the Indian Revolutionary School. I am Shraddha ma'am and today in English literature we will complete the exercises of chapter 3 You Don't Care About Me. So firstly you have to write the difficult words in the copy and the difficult words are given here. Immediately, comic, album, books, fever, photo frame, cozy, spoiled, photograph, suffering, and quietly. After this, you have to write understanding words in your copy. So words are given here and the meanings is given here. Immediately, in a moment, quickly, spoiled, damage, made bad, which could be used, quietly, without making noise, album, a book in which photographs are collected, photo frame, a cardboard on which a photograph is attached, cozy, comfortable, cross, angry. And after this, exercise A, fill in the blanks with suitable words. You don't have to write the exercises which you could fill in your book, in your copy. First, fill in the blanks with suitable words. Gracie's father always took her and Gloria to school. They both climbed into the car and went away. They will eat toast and drink hot chocolate together. Fourth, Aunt Maria brought Gloria some fruits. Fifth, she was cross with herself for eating the fruits. Sixth, Gracie's father came back with an album of photographs. 7. Tomorrow we will buy a photo frame and fix one of them. After this exercise, true or false. Exercise B, write true or false. First, Gracie had to walk to school. This is false. Second, one day Gracie got ill. This is false. Third, Aunt Mary brought some fruits for Gloria. This is true. Fourth, Gracie was not kind to Gloria. This is true. Fifth, Gracie was cross with Gloria at the end of the story. This is false. 6. Her parents care about Gracie more than Gloria. This is false. Then after this exercise C. Who said to whom? First, you will be late for school. Gracie's father to Gracie. Second, will mom stay with her? Gracie to her father. Third, I wish I was ill. Gracie to herself. Fourth, I am sorry you feel like that. Gracie's father to Gracie. So after this exercise D, which you have to write it in your copy. Give one word answer. Question 1. Who was suffering from high fever? Answer Gloria. Question 2. Who will tell stories for Gloria? Answer Mom. Question 3. Who came to visit in the evening? Answer Aunt Maria. Question 4. When did Gracie break the doll of Gloria? Answer last Sunday. Question 5. What do they decide to buy the next day? Answer a photo frame. Now, after this exercise E, answer the following questions. So the first question is, question 1. Why did Gloria not go to school? Answer, Gloria did not go to school because she was suffering from high fever. After this, question number 2. What will Gloria do all day? Answer. All day she will stay in bed and have rest. Question 3. Why do you think that Gracie wishes to have high fever? Answer. Gracie wishes to have high fever because she thinks that with high fever she will get rest, lots of storybooks, and also a new comic book. Question 4. Who came to visit? Why? Answer. Aunt Maria came to visit because she loved Gloria and brought some fruits for her. Question 5. Why was Gracie angry with herself? Gracie was angry with herself for eating the fruits. Question 6. Why do you think Gracie was not kind to her little sister? Answer. Gracie was not kind to her little sister because she broke her doll, spoiled her painting, and had eaten her fruits. Question 7. Why did Gracie feel that her parents loved only her sister? Answer. Gracie feel that her parents loved only her sister because Gloria always got everything and her parents were always talked about her little sister. Question 8. What did Gracie and her father plan to do the next day? Answer. Gracie and her father planned to take some photographs of Gloria next day. So students, this is the whole exercises of this chapter.